Hello everyone, I am Sonia Sharma, Faculty Commerce at the Venkateshwar School, Gurgaon. Today in this video, I am going to explain you about the difference between implicit cost and explicit cost. What does explicit cost mean? Let me clear very first the meaning of these two. Explicit cost is basically the cost of using the resources from outside, like the cost of using factors of production, I am running a business, so I am going to hire some laborers from outside. Whatever I am going to pay to them in return, that will be explicit cost for me. And that implicit cost, it is the cost of owner's own resources. Like I have invested some money. The building which I am using here is my own. I have not taken any building on rent. I am using my own building for running my business there. So this implicit cost is the cost of owner's own resources, and the explicit cost is hiring some resources from outside or using factors of production from outside. Okay. Second thing here is determination, about the determination, that explicit cost can easily be determined, that what we have to pay, but implicit cost cannot be easily determined. And that explicit cost is useful both in accounting as well as in economics, but implicit cost, it is basically the concept of economics only. In accountancy, when we want to find out the profits, so it will not be used to calculate the accounting profits, it will only be used to calculate economic profits. So, next here is regarding the new meaning, another meaning for that, another name for that. So that explicit cost is also known as out of pocket cost, because we have to make some payment for that. But owner, he doesn't make any payment to himself from the business for capital invested in the business. Sometime there is interest on capital, but not every time it is there, and it is not the burden on the business to pay interest on capital to the owner. But if we have taken some loan from outside, then it becomes burden on the owner, that they have to make payment of interest as well as profit on that particular amount what they have taken from outside. And next thing here is regarding cash flows. In explicit cost, there are cash flows because we are making payments, but in implicit cost, there are no cash flows because we are not going to make any payment. It is just an opportunity cost. Other name for implicit cost is opportunity cost, because we are basically considering it as the internal cost for the owner only. Like suppose I need to hire some manager for my business, but right now I am not hiring, and instead of hiring someone from outside, I ask one of my relative to do some managing task for me for few time, for few hours, for few days only, and I'm not hiring him on some on exchange of some consideration. Okay, some monetary consideration I'm not going to deal with. Okay, so this was from my side about explicit cost and implicit cost. Hope that this concept is very clear to you people. You can see the chart here, that then those concepts will be very clear from you from the chart. Have a look there. Thank you. Have a nice day.